When you look at this image, you might think they look like frog eggs, but they are not. They are called chia seeds. The seeds turn into a gel-like substance when they are soaked in the liquid. They are small round seeds and can be black, brown, and white. These edible seeds are harvested from a flowering plant in the mint family. They are native to Mexico and Guatemala and have been used for medicinal purposes since ancient times. Today, chia seeds are widely recognized and have grown commercially in many countries, including Mexico, Guatemala, Peru, Argentina, Australia, and United States. For your information, this video is for educational purposes only and should not be considered professional advice. So, please consult with your professional doctor if you face any medical problems. Also, don't forget to share this video with your family and friends to understand more about chia seeds. Chia seeds are packed with many nutritional benefits. They are high in omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, plant-based protein, minerals, iron, calcium, and antioxidants that support our bodies in many different ways. Pretty amazing, right? Here are the top few potential benefits of chia seeds provided to our health. Number 1. Chia seeds may support weight loss. Consuming chia seeds that contain high fiber and protein may help in preventing overweight and obesity as well as reducing appetite and food intake. The soluble fiber in chia seeds absorbs water, causing them to expand in your stomach and increase the feeling of fullness, so you will reduce food intake. If you want to maintain a healthy weight, chia seeds are a great choice to consume because they let you feel fuller despite eating less. Number 2. Chia seeds may promote better heart health. We learned that chia seeds contain high fiber and omega-3 fatty acids, so consuming them may reduce the risk of heart disease. The soluble fiber in chia seeds may increase the amount of high-density lipoprotein cholesterol and lower low-density lipoprotein cholesterol. For your information, HDL cholesterol is known as good cholesterol, while LDL cholesterol is known as bad cholesterol. Studies have shown that chia seeds have a protective effect on the balance of lipids in the blood and a neutral or beneficial effect on other markers of cardiovascular health. Therefore, adding chia seeds to your diet is the best choice for those who want to lower LDL or increase HDL. Number 3. Chia seeds may support bone health. If you are a vegan or looking for non-dairy products, chia seeds are the best choice to consume. Chia seeds are high in several nutrients such as calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, and potassium, which are good for bone, muscle, and nerve functioning. Studies have shown that getting enough of these nutrients is important for maintaining good bone mineral density as well as reducing the risk of osteoporosis. Number 4. Chia seeds may improve blood sugar levels. People with diabetes may experience high blood sugar levels. Consuming chia seeds may help with blood sugar regulation due to the high fiber content and other beneficial compounds. Fiber may help to reduce insulin resistance and improve blood sugar levels, as well as reduce the risk of metabolic syndrome and type 2 diabetes. The research found that bread containing chia seeds help to lower post-meal rises in blood sugar level compared to bread without chia seeds. Number 5. Chia seeds may support digestive health. We already know that chia seeds are high in fiber, which helps in regulating digestive processes and easing bowel movements. Chia seeds can act as a prebiotic, which helps your stomach produce good bacteria that keep your digestive system working properly. Chia seeds can also act as a cleansing agent for your digestive system to get rid of toxins and build up in your intestines. Now you have learned the power of chia seeds that bring such wonderful health benefits to our bodies. Chia seeds are very nutritious and loaded with health-promoting properties that can support the health of our bone, heart, and digestive system, as well as lower blood sugar levels and manage weight. Chia seeds are mostly flavorless, but you can add them into dishes in many creative ways to look delicious. What you can make with chia seeds are pudding, smoothies, salad, and much more. If you think today's video is helpful, please hit the subscribe button so we can continue to make more educational health videos. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching and have a great day.